Choosing between MetaTrader 4, MT4, and MetaTrader 5, MT5, can be a bit of a dilemma, especially if you're diving into the world of Forex trading like I did. I remember when I was first faced with this decision, I felt overwhelmed by all the options and technical details. But after spending some time with both platforms, I realized that each has its unique strengths, depending on what you're looking to achieve. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. MT4 is like the old trusted friend of the Forex community. It's been around longer and is incredibly popular, especially among those of us who are primarily focused on Forex. What I love about MT4 is its simplicity. Sometimes less is more, right? The platform is straightforward, which makes it easier to navigate if you're just starting out. Plus, since it's been around for so long, there's a vast library of custom indicators and expert advisors, EAs, that you can tap into. I found this particularly helpful when I was trying to refine my trading strategies. The support from brokers is also widespread, so you won't struggle to find one that offers MT4. On the other hand, if you're like me and enjoy exploring new opportunities, MT5 might catch your eye. MT5 is like the upgraded version with a few more bells and whistles. It's designed for multi-asset trading, meaning you can trade not just Forex, but also stocks, futures, commodities, and more. I found this flexibility pretty appealing, especially as I started to diversify my trading. MT5 also offers more order types, which gave me more control over my trades, a definite plus when you're aiming for higher win rates. And let's not forget the technical indicators and timeframes. There are more of them in MT5, which means more tools to analyze the markets. One feature I found particularly intriguing was the depth of market, DOM, which gives you a closer look at market liquidity. So, which one should you choose? If you're like I was, primarily focused on Forex and want something simple and reliable, MT4 is probably your best bet. It's user-friendly and backed by a huge community, so you'll never feel lost. But if you're thinking long-term and want to explore other markets or need those extra features, MT5 is worth considering. It might take a little more time to get used to, but the added flexibility and advanced tools could be just what you need to up your trading game. Whichever platform you choose, the key is to make sure it aligns with your trading goals and strategies. For me, starting with MT4 was the perfect way to build a solid foundation before expanding into the more advanced territory of MT5.